I have a message for all you America haters. You know who you are. The burn it all down crew. The God's gonna strike America down for America's wickedness. The America must fall brigade. Let me tell you something. If America falls, the world is in trouble. There's no doubt about it. Who's going to step in and fill the void? China, Russia, India. Who's going to do it? And here's another thing you geniuses haven't thought of. If America falls, you're in America. So that means you're about to fall too. You get where I'm going with this? Now let me back up a little bit. For all those who said God is going to strike down America because America has become wicked. True, there's pockets in America that, it is what it is. But let me tell you something. Had Abraham been able to find 10 righteous people in Sodom and Gomorrah, God told him, I'll save those two cities. So, God striking down America, I'm pretty sure we're on terra firma there, firm ground. God ain't striking down America, not no time soon. And then the other one. If America falls, who's going to step in to fill the void? Like I said, China? Do you understand that the Chinese government can't stand black people? So the first people that's going to go into their concentration camps, like the Uyghur Muslims, are us. Yeah, march in the streets, burn it all down, burn down CVS's, burn down your neighborhoods. But if the Chinese people were your overlords, all of y'all would be making nothing but cheap products to sell the rest of the world. Same goes for Russia. What do you think they're going to do with us? You think you're going to get some affirmative action? You think you're going to get welfare? What about India? Some of these places don't have a social bailout. So burn it all down means the poor people are going to be screwed. And one other thing you didn't think of. It's usually the contributors, the collaborators, the people that are the turncoats first. Those are usually the first people that get deleted by the new regime. So I think you should go back to the drawing board, rethink your whole America's gonna fall stance, and do something to help the country. You heard what Kennedy said. Ask not. A lot of good people died defending this country that were better than you. There was a lot of people who died to build this country that was better than you. There are a lot of people who labored and toiled and developed and constructed and built this nation so you could just sit back, whine and moan, and just act a complete idiot saying burn it all down. What did you contribute to the country? What did you do? You want to burn it all down? How about you create something and then go burn that down? Let's start there. This has went on a little longer than I thought it would go, but I get sick of hearing all this America is on its deathbed. America's this, America is nothing. Man, America is fine the way it is. None of y'all were slaves. None of y'all were in chains unless you're a criminal. So just stop it. Peace.